How to download Call of Duty Warzone on your PS4. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Call of Duty Warzone Verdansk for free on your PlayStation 4. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up the store on your PS4. And the easiest way to find Warzone in the store rather than searching is to simply go to Games in the left menu, select it, then go down to Free. Once free opens up, you may see Warzone here. If you do, just select it there. But if you don't, go all the way to the right and select all free to play games. Then just go to the menu above the games, go to sort, and then name A to Z. From there, scroll down until you get to Call of Duty, and you'll see Call of Duty Warzone. Select that. Once you're in here, where mine shows a little install progress bar, select download, and that will download Call of Duty Warzone to your PS4. Once you have it started downloading, you can go back to the main screen on your PS4 and you should see Call of Duty. And once it's done downloading, you can select it where it says start. Once it opens up, you're going to need to log into your Activision account, so do that. And then once you get into the game, to find Warzone, it may be on the main featured screen, but if it's not there, in the top menu, go to All Games, and then scroll over to Call of Duty Warzone and select Install. It'll then start downloading and installing Warzone to your PS4. Then once it's done installing Verdansk Warzone, all you need to do is go back to Call of Duty on your PS4, go to All Games, and then go over to Warzone and select Play. You'll then be able to play COD Verdansk Warzone on your PS4. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.